Last year, to say thank you to our amazing off-grid community, we gave away one of our most popular kits, the batch kit. We were inundated with hundreds of entries, and in the end, we found a fantastic winner in Leah. This year, we're doing it again. The winner will receive one of our batch kits, complete with installation from a registered electrician and our ongoing support from Grid-Free. To enter, click the link in the description, write a short entry telling us why you or someone you know deserves to win, then submit a short video answering the question, what does off-grid living mean to you? Does it mean self-sufficiency? Is it freedom? Or does it mean being green? Whatever it means to you, we want to hear it. Entries will open on the 6th of September and close on the 20th September. Down below will be the T's and C's and all the entry details. To everybody in our fantastic off-grid community, thank you so much for all of your support, and we cannot wait to meet our new winner. Good luck.